In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts from Freshsales if you need a clean list for reporting, to move data into another tool, or to keep a simple backup. This walkthrough will show you the quickest, most reliable way to get your contacts out of Freshsales and into a file you can use anywhere. Start by opening Freshsales Suite and heading to the Activities dashboard. This is a convenient landing page and a good place to begin. If you're elsewhere in the app, use the top navigation to get back to your sales workspace. Then open the Activities dashboard so you're starting from a familiar view. Next, move into your contacts. Click Contacts in the main navigation to open the full contacts list. You should see your records in a table with names, emails, and other fields arranged in columns. Make sure you're in the list view so you can easily select records in bulk. Now, select your preferred contacts. Use the checkbox beside each contact to choose exactly who you want to include. If you want everything that's currently shown, use the checkbox at the top of the table to select all visible records. To zero in on the right group before selecting, you can use the search bar or any built-in filters so that only the contacts you care about are on screen. This step is important because the export will reflect what you've selected or what's currently in view. With your contacts selected, look for the three dots icon, often labeled More Actions, above the list. Click the three dots to expand additional options. If you don't see the menu, confirm you're viewing the list of contacts and that you have the right permissions in your account. Also, if nothing is selected, some accounts may still allow exporting the current view. Others may require you to pick at least one record. Click Export Data. Freshsales will start preparing a file based on your selection. In most cases, the export is a CSV, which works well with spreadsheets and data tools. If you selected a subset, only those contacts will be included. If you selected everything in view, you'll get that whole set. Keep the tab open while the export is generated. Depending on your setup, the file may download automatically or appear as a notification you can open to retrieve it. And that's it. You've gone from the Activities dashboard to Contacts, selected exactly what you need, opened the More Actions menu, and triggered Export Data. After the file is ready, review it to confirm the fields and values look right, store it securely, and handle personal data responsibly according to your organization's policies.